How to download and install the Binance app on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download the Binance app on your iPhone. Now this is a really easy video, so before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your app store. After you open up your app store, simply head over to the search section that is on the bottom right corner, and on the top simply head over to the search bar and search for Binance. After you search for Binance, you will get this app right here. Now this is Binance Buy Bitcoin and Crypto. So what you can do from this app is that you can use it for trading cryptos. You can buy it, you can sell it, you can store it, and yeah, that is basically what you can do with it. So to download it, simply tap on install on the top here and yeah, confirm the installation process. After you do that, it will start installing, and after it completes its installation process, what you can do is you can log in with your account and you can use it as you'd like. And yeah, that is basically it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.